Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding whether you want a temporary removal or to stop Wi-Fi permanently. Once you know that, unlock the iPhone and swipe down or up on older models to open Control Center. Make sure you can reach Settings and Control Center quickly. You will toggle Wi-Fi from there. If you prefer Settings, open Settings Wi-Fi now. This step gets you to the control that actually drives the status icon. We don't waste time on unrelated setup. Once done opening the control, tap the Wi-Fi glyph in Control Center. It should dim and the Wi-Fi symbol disappears from the status bar because the radio is off. If you want a more definite change, go to Settings Wi-Fi and switch it off there. Settings prevents automatic reconnection. Make sure to also check Settings Privacy Location Services System Services and turn off Wi-Fi networking if you still see network activity influencing status indicators. To finish, verify the Wi-Fi symbol is gone from the status bar. If you only needed a temporary removal, toggle Control Center back when done. If you prefer a quick short-term method, enable airplane mode. It hides Wi-Fi without changing saved networks. If the icon persists, restart your iPhone, install any pending iOS updates, and as a last resort use settings, general reset network settings. That often clears stubborn status issues and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.